zero risk crypto training program. So in this video I'm going to show you exactly what this is and how can you be in the part of this training. Is it worthy to buying or not? Do you need this or not? So let's move ahead. As you can see right now, I'm in the sales page of zero risk crypto. So this is in a sales page. By the way, before moving ahead, I want you to thank you for checking out my zero risk crypto review. So let's move ahead. So as you can see right now, get crypto profit day by day after and get free traffic too. So this is a person, he's the vendor of this zero risk crypto training, and he's showing you exactly the process that he follows, and he have shared with the student to earn crypto. As once you will be clicking on the link in the description that I have provided you, so you will be redirected to this page, exactly this page, and you can come to this official site of zero risk crypto. So once you will be clicking on this site, you will be find an add to cart button. You just need to click here and you will get access to this product. So let's see what is the actual price of this software. So this is a training program, as you can see right now. So let's see the exact price of this. So as you can see right now, this is for $11.97. So let me close this. As we have seen right now, so this is an actual price they were showing in the screen. So this is in a brand new and easy and fun process with zero risk crypto, no money out of your pocket. So this is basically a training program that allows you to in this training program you get training from this person James. He's in a good crypto investors. And he will show you exactly what is the process that you can use. So he shared with the students and they are generating this much crypto revenue, $200, $200, and keep scrolling for even insane proofs. He's showing some proofs on this page, as well as he's showing his students results, how they have earned insane possible result with zero risk crypto, easy to use. And this is just for $11.97. So it's not a big amount, by the way, for investing in yourself, investing in your education before investing in something. So this person name is James Renoff. He's sharing with you exactly what is this zero risk crypto profit app is. In this video, in this training program, you get insane number of crypto hacks and tutorials, and you get to know about what zero crypto risk is all about is. And in this training program you will get exactly to know what this does. So basically, let me tell you who can use this software or who can use this training. So those people who want to invest in cryptocurrency, so they can go for this, and whom they wanted to gain money in crypto, so they can this is an exactly training program they need to know and they need to implement in their business to get multiple crypto in their pocket. Okay, so as I have shared with you right now, so this is all about this training program is. And let's watch this video by this person, zero risk crypto app person, and let's see what he is sharing inside this video. And after watching this video, we will come to this page.
James here, and it's July 4th when I'm making this video. I have my wife yelling at me right now saying hurry up, get this done, because it's July 4th. I was just bit by a bee a second ago. Anyway, a few things going on, but this is our product, zero risk crypto. Now it's hard to be all things to all people because I don't know where you're coming from. Are you someone that's a seasoned marketer? Are you someone that's brand new? Are you someone that does e-com? Are you someone that has your website? Are you someone that doesn't have a website? I don't know. Every single person is different. But I can tell you that this particular product, it has something for everyone. I'm a big fan of cryptocurrency. I've been in the game for a long, long time. My results are there, and my results for other people are there. My last product, I have literally hundreds of people that took action. I can see that in the stats of that previous program, that they're taking action. That's what this is all about, that you can take action and you can see results. Now, with this process that Dave and I have gotten into, and we've done this very recently, we're seeing results ourselves. Number one, that's important. But what's more important is that we're seeing other people with results. We're seeing some people getting results in the 6 figures. Now, am I telling you that when you pay the price of this product that you're gonna make 6 figures or you're gonna make $1 million overnight? Of course not. You have to take action. But I can tell you that the premise is there, that you can do that there's room for all of us, because it's not just us. It's not that we just have the magic secret and we're the only ones that are doing this. This is something that you absolutely can do. We have a process, an easy process that will get you there, but we have others that are doing it, and there's no notion that, oh, this is going to somehow get saturated and no one else can do this. That's what's so amazing, is that there is room for you. This is an easy process. You don't have to be on camera. You don't have to have technical ability. I could list the 30 things that everybody says in every product. You don't have to be this, and this. You can be brand new. But I have people that are millionaires that buy my products that will be into this too. So it really doesn't matter where you are on the spectrum. If you want to get cryptocurrency and you want to get traffic in a brand new way, those two things, some people are going to resonate with the make money part, some people are going to resonate with the crypto, some people are going to resonate with the traffic. Wherever you are, there's something for everyone in there. And I think for this low price, it's so worth it, because again, the results are there. This is not a software that you're going to buy and you get a software that you can push a button and then nothing happens. We're not about that. We're about getting you results. And this is a quick process that you can do, that we're going to teach you, that shows you how to get results in the crypto space with no money out of pocket. That's why we call it zero risk. There's only upside, cryptocurrency and traffic. So it's really exciting, and hopefully I'm getting you excited about this process, because we're really excited about it. And again, what we love to do is bring new tactics to the community to get people results. So if you want results, if you like to get paid, and another great thing about this too, it's not just cryptocurrency, you can get real money. Now, people say, I would argue that cryptocurrency is real money and regular money isn't, but I digress. My point is, you can take this cryptocurrency and see money in your bank. Some people they don't like sometimes with cryptos. There's some crazy process to actually get paid by this. No. So it's all good. We've seen results. You can get results for the price of this product. It's a no-brainer. The price is, however, going up with every sale. So don't delay, pick it up, and we'll see you on the inside.
The video right now by this person James. He's sharing his experience and his about his product, what you get inside exactly is, and I have provided you in a link in the description, so you can get the exact and the official site of this this training program. So you can check that out by clicking this button, and you will be able to purchase it through this website. Okay, so this is exactly zero crypto profit is, and zero risk crypto is, and you can earn insane number of cryptos by taking this training program. So I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel for multiple videos like this. I upload multiple videos like this every day, so you get notified when I will upload any video. So this is all about zero risk crypto app, and this is a training program, by the way. So thank you for checking out my zero risk crypto training review. So this is it for today. We'll meet on next video.